Chapter 4. What if something goes wrong? Both employers and employees can take steps to prepare for emergencies, such as spills, leaks, explosions, or fires. Consider how you would alert coworkers, call for help, or escape in an emergency. Depending on the chemicals in your workplace, you may need access to a first aid kit, an eye wash or shower station, a fire extinguisher, or a spill kit. Ensure this equipment is well maintained and that you're trained to use it. Labels and safety data sheets provide emergency action guidelines, including first aid and firefighting procedures. However, during an actual emergency, you may not have time to refer to these. Plan ahead. SDS also recommend procedures for spill control, cleanup, and disposal. You'll soon have an opportunity to review labels and SDS in your workplace and note emergency procedures and first aid equipment information. When completing the WHMIS in your workplace exercise, consider the following. Where is the nearest emergency alarm? Where is the nearest first aid kit or source of medical help? Is there an eye wash or emergency shower station nearby? Where is the nearest fire extinguisher? Is there a spill kit available? The first aid section of the SDS guides if someone is accidentally exposed to chemical products, broken down by routes of entry like skin contact, eye contact, inhalation, and ingestion. SDS also detail the potential long-term health effects of overexposure. If an employee is overexposed to a chemical and requires medical attention, a copy of the SDS should be provided. This document often includes specific details to assist medical professionals in diagnosis and treatment. Sometimes, manufacturers withhold exact chemical names or ingredient concentrations as trade secrets. However, health and safety information can't be withheld. In an emergency, medical professionals can phone the supplier at the number listed on the SDS to obtain necessary information for patient treatment. There are also procedures for non-emergency disclosure of trade secrets. For instance, a dermatologist might need to know the exact chemical composition of a product to treat a rash.